Parmesan garlic chicken tenders. We're gonna start by slicing up that chicken breast with our chef knife from the Cooking Guild. Next, we're gonna lightly coat the strips in mayo. Add a bag of cornflakes to a bowl and crunch them up. Coat the strips in cornflakes, then we're gonna put them on a wire rack and season them up with garlic Parmesan blend. In goes the meter plus, then we're gonna place them on the grill at 400 degrees. Let's make our sauce out of butter, Parmesan cheese, and citrus Fresno from Fresco sauce. After about 25 minutes, your chicken should reach 165 internal. Hit them with another coat of seasoning, get on your sauce, and enjoy these delicious